Now I'm audible. Okay. Oh, I have to set yes. So welcome to my channel, friends. Once again, I have brought a new video for you all on MS Excel. Okay. So today I will explain you how you can use different formulas in MS Excel. So different formulas I will explain you today, just like add, subtract, multiply, divide, sum, minimum, maximum, count, average. These all things I will explain. So now let's start. So first here it is add. Okay, so here I have the table at the top left corner, and here this is the chart. If you want to know how you can draw a table and how you can convert the table into chart, then you can watch my videos on how to draw chart and how to convert chart from table. Okay, you can go into the playlist section, and then from there you can get these videos also. Okay, so now let's start. For this, the first thing which I am going to explain about add is how to add two numbers in Excel. Okay, so since here now you can see in the table numbers just like 60 and 30 given, so these numbers are very easy to add. Okay, but if numbers are going to be very uh, big number, then in that case adding it takes a little bit effort. So that's why, to reduce that effort and to improve your productivity, these formulas we can use in Excel. Okay, so the first thing here I'm going to explain add. So in MS Excel, all formulas start with equal sign. Okay, so first thing is that you have to press equal in the keyboard. I will show you. Okay, you can press equal sign in the keyboard. So, and then after you have to select. So first you have to select. For example, if you want to add this 60 and 30, so what you have to do, you have to select this. Okay, then after, what you have to do, you have to press plus. So in the keyboard it is shift plus, so there I got plus, and then after you can press another cell. So another cell it is 30. So what happened here, B3 and C3, so these two cells got selected. Okay, so I selected these two cells to add. So B3, so B3 means 60, and C3 here it is 30. These two numbers I'm going to add. So what after that, you have to press enter. If you press enter, so now you got 90. It means what happened, so these two numbers got added. Okay, means so here addition of these two numbers, we got 90. Then after, you can use another method, but this one it was very easy method. The another one it is subtract. Again the similar type of process I will use for subtraction also. For subtraction, what you have to do, again you have to press equal in your keyboard. So here equal, because all formulas start with equal in MS Excel, and then after you have to select those cells from which you want to subtract. Just like I want to subtract 60 minus 30. 60 minus 30 if I want to subtract, then what I will have to do, the first number I'm going to select. So there you have to click. Okay, so 60, so there I brought, and then click, and then that cell got select. So that is selected, this cell selected, and then after you have to press plus. Okay, so after plus you can select another cell. So sorry, now here I was explaining about the subtraction now, so no, so here I will select minus. Okay, so that cell, and then after that's another cell which you have to select, which you want to subtract from this 60. So I want to subtract this 60 from 30. So I'm going to subtract 30 from this 60. So now select this one, and then you press simply enter. If you press enter, then you got 60 minus 30, that equals 30. Okay, and then you can use that. Then next it is multiplication. Okay, so I want to multiply 60 and 30. Okay, so if I want to multiply 60 and 30, then again I will do similar process. Again I will press equal. So equal you have to press, and then after you have to select cells. Just like I want to select cell 60. So sorry, this 60 and 30 I want to multiply. So there you click where it is 60, that is selected, and then after you press you can see there it is multiplication, asterisk symbol there on the keyboard. Okay, so there asterisk means multiplication is not that symbol we use. Okay, and then you can select another cell which you want to multiply with this means I want to multiply 60 to this 30, so that's why I selected this, and then press enter. So as you press enter, then you got the product of these two values. Okay, then after divide. In case of division, what we have to do, for example, I want to divide this 60 by 30. So first again you have to start with equal, then after select this 60, and then forward slash you have to use for division. So forward slash I'm using now. This is forward slash. Okay, then after use this 30, and then it means B3 divided by C3, it means 60 divided by 30, and then press enter. So you got the value 60 divided by 30, it is 2. Okay, now next thing it is sum. Okay, if I want to add these all values just like 60, 90, 80, 100, so again what we can do, again equal. So for this we can use the formulas also, because there is formula here. You can insert function, so here you can also go, and then here you can get sum. Okay, so if you press sum, so and then after okay. Okay, so sum and okay you got, and then whatever you want to select. Okay, means for example I want the sum of 60, 90, I mean these whatever numbers are there in this column, I want to add these all. So select means click there, and then just simply go down. Okay, move down, then these all four cells got here selected. Okay, and then simply you press ok. So as you press ok, then you will get the value. The value you have this 330. It means sum of these all number here you get 330. Okay, in the same way here minimum. So if you want to find out the minimum value, for example I want to find minimum value out of these four or in these 8 numbers, then how you can find out. Again you have to click here, means where to save that value. So here I want minimum value. So in this case again you click here, you got a cell where minimum value is going to be stored. Then go here, you can insert function, and then after here you have to find out where it is minimum. So if I type in minimum, so you will see that whether you so now here, so whatever now value just like here formula, so then you can find out. Okay, so here I have to you find out the minimum value, so that's why I have written here minimum, and then if you press go, then that formula it will come. So this function it came. Okay, so simply click on that, and then after press ok. If you press ok, it means we can find out the minimum value from this table. So how? Now you can see I want to find out minimum value out of these all numbers. So you have to click here, and then you can select these all. Okay, select these all cells. So it means out of these all numbers, which one is the smallest, that is going to be stored here. So when I click ok, then you will see that now 30. So 30, now you can see here out of these all numbers 30 is the smallest, so the minimum. So that's why here it is 30 came. 30 came here. And now if you have to find out maximum value, again then same process. Here we have to click on the cell where we want to store the maximum value, means maximum number here. For that again we have to go here. This is insert function formula, and then maximum. Again, if you are not able to get here, if it is if it is given here, then okay. If it is not, then you can write down here. So in this section you can find out whatever formula you need. Just like if you have to find out sum, so sum if you type, then you will get here. Means if you are not able to find here, and if you are able to find out, then there it is no problem. Okay, then the maximum. So maximum you can get now you see maximum here, it is already present, so no problem. So maximum selected. So now we have to select the cells or the numbers from which we have to find out the maximum. So now I'm going to select, now click, and then you know what, slide. Okay, click here first and then slide. So these all cells selected here. Then after we have to click OK. As you click OK, then you can see here 100 came. So now you see in these all numbers 100 is maximum, so that's the maximum value came here. Okay, then in the same way we can find count. Okay, now next it is count. Count means how many numbers are there, just like in these all cells, just like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So total 8 numbers are there. So we can count this. Okay, so how we can do, again we have to go here and then simply see that whether yes, count here it is present. So if we press count, okay, and then okay, click on the count and then okay, and then you have to select, so how many. So count works on numbers. Okay, numbers only. So now it is going to count. Okay, for example I will show you. So this I'm going to select. So now you can see here, and then after press OK. If so after selecting that, you press here OK, and when you press OK, then you get 8. It means you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, total 8 numbers are there. So that's why count 8 came. Okay, so now if I want to count these all, so what I will do, again click here and then press here, and then you have to delete. Okay, now this value I will have to delete first. If I delete, now count, so I want to count these all, so means red, green, blue, yellow also I want to count. So now you select. So what will happen, so first of all I will show you that whether this is going to work or not, and why it is not, so I will show you. So count, you have to click, simply you go to the function, then this will come, then here click on the count, and then after click on OK. As you click on OK, okay, so you will have to select. So now I am going to select these all. Now what happened, I am selecting here, I selected 12, means 1 2 3 4 and 4 means total 12 I selected. So now you see what the value it is coming, now equals, now it is still coming 8 only. Why? Because this function, means this function count works only for numbers, not for letters or some words or alphabet. Means this function works only for numbers only. Okay, if you want to count for numbers and words all, then in that case you will have to use another function, and that function is count A. Okay, that is count A. So here I'm going to insert. Now here go to just here coming count A. So here go to the function, insert function, then after you find out to count A it is present or not. If it is not, then in that case what do we have to do, simply here you have to write down count A, COUNTA, count A, and then go. Okay, then now you can see you got count A here. So you click on this count A, select that, and then after press OK. And now what will happen, that we have to select. Now I'm going to select these all cells. I want to count how many numbers and words are there. Okay, means the part which I selected. So now after that I'm going to press OK. As I press OK, now you can see here it came 12. So what means, it means that count A counts words also. Okay, counts also, words also, and numbers also, but count function only count the numbers. Now the next here is average. So now next again the same process. Here you have to click on the cell where you want to save average value, and then after you can go to this function, you click on that function, and then after you see where is average. So now here it is average. So after that here you can click select that average, and then after click OK. After selecting that OK, you have to select the numbers which you want, for which you want average. Just like I want average of these all numbers, you know what, 60, 90, 80 and 100. Okay, and then after click OK. As you click OK, then you get 82.5. So 82.5 is average of these all numbers in this column. Okay, and in the same way you can find out the average for all numbers. So not only it works only in one column, you can select the numbers in from another column also. Means whatever cells you choose. Okay, whatever cell you choose, and whatever numbers are present there, so this average will find out the average value of those all numbers present in those cells. Okay, so in this way we can use such formulas, and so many other formulas are also there. So many functions are there. You can see here, I will show you uh, that here so many formulas are there. Now you can see minimum other are also. So in this video I am covering this here I covered only these formulas, functions. In another video I will cover another function or formulas also. Okay, so please like, subscribe and share my video, so that such informative video will reach to the person who need such knowledge. Okay, so thank you once again. We will meet again in another video. Thank you.